In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Microsoft Outlook email on desktop. By the end, you'll be comfortably signed in and ready to check your inbox without any confusion. First, open Outlook on your computer. This can be the Outlook desktop app or Outlook in your web browser. If you're using the app, look for the Outlook icon in your Start menu or Applications folder. If you prefer the browser, go to the Outlook website in a new tab. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the sign-in process goes smoothly. Once Outlook is open, look to the top right corner and click Sign In. In the desktop app, you may see an Add Account or Sign In button in a similar spot. Either way, you're heading into the same sign-in flow. This takes you to Microsoft's secure sign-in page. Next, type your email address in the email field. This is the address associated with your Microsoft account, personal, work, or school. Take a moment to double check the spelling and the domain so you don't get blocked by a simple typo. When you're confident is correct, click Next to continue. On the next screen, you'll see the option to send code. Click Send Code to have a verification code delivered to your recovery email or the method displayed. This step is there to protect your account. It confirms you really are the person trying to sign in, even if someone else knows your address. Now, open the email inbox where the code will arrive. It typically shows up within a few seconds, but give it a minute if needed. If you don't see it, check your junk or spam folder. When the message arrives, carefully copy the code and paste or type it back into the verification field in Outlook. Enter the code exactly as shown. These codes usually expire quickly, so use it right away. For your security, never share verification codes with anyone. After you enter the code, Outlook will complete the sign-in and take you to your mailbox. You're now signed in. You should see your folders, your inbox, and new messages start to load. If you have multiple Outlook profiles or accounts, make sure the correct one is selected so you're looking at the right inbox. That's it. Quick and secure. You opened Outlook, selected sign in, entered your email, clicked next, sent and retrieved the verification code, and finished the login. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Outlook inbox on desktop.